So guys, in my last video, I mentioned that we were going long on Link, and obviously we broke this down from a technical perspective, mentioning that this was a key area of support. We also had a key area of resistance, which is now a support, because when you break above a resistance, we then find a new floor. And it looks like we found that around $17 per coin. And just like magic, we're now retracing and making our impulse move back to the upside. Now we could call that a 20% move at the moment if we were to run it off. Now again, an incredible compound position, and obviously the reason why we went to add more position on Link was not only just from a technical day trade perspective, but because, of course, as mentioned before, we are accumulating the coins in our portfolio that we believe have the best potential for long-term success, and we believe Chainlink is one of those coins. If you want to look at some of our other coins that we're currently buying, watch our recent videos and make sure you like, comment and subscribe, because we have a lot more updates for you guys. So now let's break this down. So what exactly were we looking for when price pulled back? Well, number one, if we go down to our daily time frame, we could essentially wait for a close, so for a daily candle close, and then look for a buy position. But again, because we're buying this all from a weekly and a monthly, we're looking at this all long term. We did in fact buy base purely off the rejection of this support area, right? So where do we think price will go next? I believe that price will go around $30. So that would be another, from where we are now, that would be another 50%. So that's a 50% move from where we are now. Do I believe we could hit that before the end of the month? Yes, I do actually. I believe we're going to be riding this one up all the way to $100 per coin, and we'll decide whether we want to shave off some of our positions, or whether we want to take 20% of the yearly gains, or whether we just want to accumulate and see exactly what Chainlink can do long term. But again, we're definitely having a long-term approach, and the last thing that we want is to be to be where the people were when they had the opportunity to buy Bitcoin so cheap, right? So imagine if you had bought, I don't know, they say that in fact there's actually a stat that was released that if you bought $1 of Bitcoin 10 years ago, it would be worth around $800,000. Let that sink in. So $1 worth of Bitcoin 10 years ago is now worth over $800,000. And they released another stat that said if you bought $100 worth of Bitcoin, it will now be worth over $75 million, which I find, that is quite phenomenal. So anybody that had the patience to hold and truly did believe in the project, I mean, they are doing really, really well at the moment. And when we put things into perspective, 10 years is not actually a long time, right? So yeah, we definitely have a long-term approach for this particular cryptocurrency Chainlink. We believe it will achieve many things. So what we'll be looking at now, we want to create another all-time high. So we want to smash past the $23 per coin level. We're not going to look for more entries. We're going to wait for price to break and then hopefully pull back, and then this will be a new area of support, and so on and so forth. If you would like to see me do more breakdowns from a technical perspective, send me a message. Send me a message and we'll do a vote on the next video that we will do, whether we're going to do it from a fundamental aspect, technical aspect. Maybe we can do some more debates. Maybe you'd like to see more of our portfolio. But yeah, send me a message and we'll take it from there. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. I'll speak to you all soon.